Hello and welcome to the Crypto Street Trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and taking benefit from the content that we are posting. So guys, this figure in front of you is from the July 169.84% profit. So this is pure spot trading profit, no leverage, no margin, no futures. We are providing you quality signals through which you can definitely grow your portfolio. So see what other sections we have in here. You can see active trades. We have just provided another signal for the HBAR, and you can look into the other details as well, the other signals that are continuously going on. And if you see our success section, so you can see all the successful trades that we have posted here. So what we can you can simply go and click on that, and you will find out the exact setup that we have provided. And we are providing you proper details, TP1, TP2, TP3, perfectly doing all the successful things. If you see the later on, we have some other trades as well, short-term trades. See this one, we are providing you proper details. It's this was a setup, and this was 20.98% setup, and this has successfully hit its target, and you can see this here. So we are providing detailed signal where you can actually take your profits and all the things. So everything is going good, and we are providing you the most important thing, BTC analysis, where how you can actually figure yourself, take care of your trades, because BTC definitely has an impact on all the market, all the altcoins. So we have told you that it's going to hit the 56k number, and it has successfully hit that. So guys, this is the accuracy of our analysis. If you go to technical analysis, we're providing you our technical analysis as well. Specifically, we are telling you when it can break out and when it can go to higher numbers. And we have another important thing. You can the trading bots, when you join premium, so you will get trading bots as well. See this video so you will understand how these trading bot works and how they can actually be beneficial for you for the passive income. All right, affiliate section is also available here. You can be a part of that. And one important thing, guys, so we are providing you newsletter as well. So newsletter, it's a proper long-term analysis for any coin. It has all the specific and detailed analysis. You can see this. We are already selling this on our paid website. So there are subscribers for that, and we are providing you for free in our premium Discord. All right, so we have a general discussion. You have any query, please ask. We will respond to you here, and you can request analysis. We will respond onto that as well. Market news, market activity, everything is going on here. You can see recession, Donald Trump, everything important going on, has impact on the market, CPI, PPI. So we are providing all the news and updates here. So guys, this is it, and we have all the premium services, as you can see, and you can join this group. To how to join, here is the video. You can simply watch this and be a part of this premium community and definitely grow your portfolio. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your time.